This is a painting of my grandmother done a long time ago. My grandmother had 5 daughters. 3 of them lived in this country, and she would stay with each one of us a few months. And she was Hungarian, and she used to make strudel and donuts and sing, and so knew her very well, loved her, and I wanted to do this as a surprise Christmas present for my mother. Every time I had a painting hanging in her house, somebody would want it, and then I would have to take it out. So I decided I'm going to paint her something that will stay in her home, that I won't take. So I did this, and it was still wet at Christmas, and I pulled it out for her to see, and I just was not prepared for the emotion. She looked at it and she says, "Mom," and just tears. And I mean, you know, so it just hung in her house, in her living room, and she talked to it every day until my mother died and it came back to me. So.